Elma Turl, she's a beautiful girl. I'd love to have her for my wife. She's just the kind of woman that would make me happy for the rest of my life. But my daddy said, son, there's something you don't know, something I think you ought to. See, Elma Turl, she's a beautiful girl, but son, she's my daughter. Well, Alice Green, she's a beautiful thing. I'd love to have her for my wife. She's just the kind of woman that can make me happy for the rest of my life. But my daddy said, son, there's something you don't know, something I think you ought to. See, Alice Green, she's a beautiful thing, but son, she's my daughter. Well, I searched the whole Durham County like a buck hunting for a doe. Seemed every girl I'd like to marry was a wild oat that daddy'd sow. So I went to my mama with my head held low, and she asked what the matter could be. I told her my problem. She took my hand and said, son, now you listen to me. See, your daddy was such a good-looking young man, and like an eager young stallion horse, his blood ran hot, so you can't blame him for letting Mother Nature take its course. But you got no reason to be upset. Don't you worry, don't you fret, don't you bother. See, your daddy ain't your daddy, though he thinks he is, so you can marry whoever you want her. Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna do I'll do a pretty song and then I'll get out of here. And I see that we have another poet in the house, because we're just about to wrap up. So you and Kate can come up and do something afterwards? Okay. You're going to do another one, you
I'm
said.
just going to do one quick one.
It's okay. I came late, so.
No. I'm going to take this one's time, and you can take whatever time you want.
It's so fine.
I'm losing control of this place.
I'm sorry.
All time, right?
Morning birds call your name to me. Morning birds call your name to me. I can see your face in their song. Please come home where you belong. Morning birds are calling you home to me. It's been too long since you're away. You come and go, but I want you to stay. I miss you in the morning and throughout the day. Morning birds are calling you home to stay. I know that you are free. I know that you are where
right, so